Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, find and select settings. Then go to keyboard, it's at the bottom of the list, and tap on add keyboards. Then select the one that you want to apply, tap on confirmation mark, and that's it, that will be all. Then you can click here and manage the details, so you can capitalize the first letters of sentences or insert a full stop after a double tap with the spacebar, so just manage it however you like. And that's it, so this is how you can add keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.